dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way, smelling bobtails ring.
Hello everyone, it's Ola here, and today we are going to paint some Christmas cards with 3 fir trees. So I'm going to show you how to paint them. So let's get started. So let's start with what you need. It's a pencil, a ruler, a black liner and eraser or rubber. So I've already prepared 3 sketches of the fir tree, and I'm starting with a pencil, making the fir. And I'm painting with a black liner. Don't forget about the balls. The paper I'm using is a Fabriano 25% cotton watercolor paper. And the trunk, of course. Don't forget about the top ornament on the fir tree. I decided to create an icicle. So I'm taking the brush, synthetic brush, and I'm wetting the fir tree, not touching the balls, so leave them white. Now I'm taking the dark green color, it's like turquoise, and I'm putting some dots here and there, and everywhere. Then I'm taking neon green, it's rather light, and I'm also putting it in some places everywhere. Then I'm taking the ultramarine blue color. This is my favorite. So let's make some shadows around the balls. I'm also trying to put this color randomly, just where I wanted it to be. Just a little more paint. So as you see, this is my favorite paint, ultramarine blue. I'm just loving it. Okay, so I put it in the shadows here and there, creating some nice effects. So let's wait till it dry, and while it's drying, I'm taking brown and ochre and just painting the trunk of the tree. Don't forget about the icicle or the top ornament. I'm putting some yellow. And I decided to paint it hot pink color, so it's neon pink as well. So neon colors are really nice. It glows, it shines, it's amazing. So now let's paint the Christmas balls. I'm putting some yellow here and some pink. So try to make it round. Leaving a little bit of yellow light spaces to the right side, okay, so they look more natural. So the second card that I'm going to make, fir tree, is kind of I decided to make a print, something like sea waves, or maybe it looks like a snake, and a star which looks like a star, and some Christmas ornaments like balls. So I'm using the black liner. So this star looks like a sea star, and I'm painting some balls as well and some curves of the tree. They look divine, I think so. Okay, making lines over and over again. I'm trying to repeat the shape of a tree, the trunk. I'm using the rubber after the black liner to erase all the pencil. I have to wet the paper so I could apply some paint into it and it would flow everywhere. and make a smooth effect. So I'm taking ultramarine blue, but I guess I took too much water, but never mind. Trying to put some ultramarine blue everywhere. Then I'm taking the blue one, blue paint. It's really beautiful. It's a handy watercolors. Then I'm taking yellow paints, yellow neon paints, and I'm painting the Christmas balls in yellow color. I don't know, I think yellow is good with blue and dark blue color. It looks scrumptious. Then I'm adding some yellow into the, so to say, branches, yes, because we have the reflection from these balls as well. And the trunk, don't forget about it, of course. I'm adding here blue and some yellow. For the third fir tree, I need washing tape. Okay, so I have to make a triangle here with a tape to preserve the edges. Then I'm taking a usual pencil and I'm trying to not paint waves. Well, maybe I'm in the mood of waves. Then I'm taking black liner and repeat all the waves here and there. They just one goes to one to another. Then I'm taking the yellow color and I'm putting it somewhere right here, for example, just randomly, okay, here and maybe there. Okay, next I'm mixing yellow and pink, and it's orange color. It appears to be orange. Then I'm using pink. Okay, I'm taking blue. Then I'm taking dark blue and violet or whatever, and green. So now I'm looking at this fir tree and I think that I'm not really satisfied with what I got. So guys, it happens, okay? I'm not cool with this picture. I don't like it. I don't know why. And I've decided to take some ultramarine blue and make a big stroke with water like that. Then I take green, neon green, and again big stroke, and again ultramarine blue. Yeah, that looks good. And again green one. It looks nice, I thought. Then I decided that I need to dry it. Of course I need to dry it off, so I used the hair dryer and make it only when it's dry. I'm taking off the washi tape like this very carefully, and you know, I like the result. It looks really nice. Look at this. It is bright with different colors. It's a nice fir tree. Okay, so I'm going to paint the trunk. It's going to be sharp one, and the star is going to be sharp too. Okay, now I'm taking some yellow and some pink color for the star ornament. Oh, that looks good. So let's add some pink and paint the trunk. And I've decided to make some, I don't know what is it, tinsel or some laces here with pink color on the fir tree. Here it is, the final 3 pictures, 3 cards. They look just amazing. They are bright, wonderful, and they can even shine in the darkness. Let me show you guys.